Today I'm going to go through a variation for a entry into our tripod handstand. So I had a question from Rambo. She's one of the members of the Yoga Ignition and Yoga Flame. Tripod headstand. So on one side of her body, the leg was struggling to extend. So we're going to have a look at a kick-up entry into this, but we're going to use the wall for support as well. Okay, so just like all the other versions of our tripod headstand, we set up exactly the same. So please don't rush into this. Make sure that you warm up your neck if you haven't, if you're just going to try this off the fly, or if you're integrating it as part of your Yoga Ignition or Yoga Flame program, then make sure that you take the appropriate warm. Okay, so that being said, we're going to get into this now. Okay, so we set up exactly the same. We want to make sure that there's enough distance away from the wall in terms of spacing. So we don't want to be absolutely flush with the wall. We want a little bit of give. So maybe an inch or two away from the wall as far as your head position is concerned. So let's just get straight into it. Right, hands down, head down, lift the butt, walk the feet in, and then just kick up into the wall. This is going to get you into that tripod headstand, elbows in nice and tight. If you want to support from the wall, you can just extend one of your legs towards the wall, get that extra support, and then practice on the negative when coming down. So slow, 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 slow. Be sure to work both sides. When coming down like this, it's going to work some of that core strength. So when you're entering into the tripod headstand, you'll have the prerequisite strength. Again, it's a practice that cannot be rushed. Make sure that you rehab your neck out after each practice. And if you feel any twinges whatsoever whilst in the practice, stop immediately. Yeah. No pose and no exercise is worth the risk of your health. Okay, so always take care when practicing this. So now that we've seen that, if you're gonna do this in your own practice, then come on, let me see those videos and share the goodness. Okay, this one's for you, Rambo. Let me see that video.